Today on Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, we are going to make Easter Muddy Buddies, a chocolate and peanut butter treat that is perfect for Easter or just about any occasion. Hi, I'm Erin from Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts.com, and today we are going to make one of my favorite recipes from childhood, Muddy Buddies. These are chocolate and peanut butter with powdered sugar over a crispy cereal. They are so good. They used to go by the name Puppy Chow. I think Crispic cereal might have named it that back in the day. But today it's usually made with Chex cereal and they call it Muddy Buddies, so that's what we're going with. It is super easy to make, no baking involved, and today we're going to dress it up with a little bit of Easter candy to make it festive for the holiday. So let's see what we need to make it. First, I'm going to use rice Chex today and some butter, peanut butter, semi-sweet chocolate chips, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. And the key to making it Easter is Cadbury Mini Eggs. You really can use any Easter candy here. Cadbury Mini Eggs happen to be one of my favorites, but the pastel M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, the little Reese's peanut butter candy-coated eggs are great. Just about anything to make it Easter colors is all that you need. So let's get started. First, we're going to combine the chocolate chips with the butter and peanut butter. We're going to microwave this 30-second intervals, stirring after each time until it's melted and completely smooth. Then we are going to stir in the vanilla extract and stir until that is well combined. Now find probably the biggest mixing bowl you have, add your cereal. You're going to need a whole 12-ounce box of cereal for this, and then pour in your melted chocolate and peanut butter. Stir until everything is well coated. You want the Chex cereal to be completely coated in chocolate. Once that is all coated, we'll set that aside for just a second. And then it is time to add the powdered sugar. We are going to use a plastic zip top bag. I like to do this in batches so that everything gets mixed together and coated evenly. So add about half the powdered sugar and half of the cereal mixture. Seal the bag. And then just shake it until everything is nicely coated. Once everything is nicely coated, spread it onto a baking sheet and you're going to let the chocolate set. Once everything is set, then you just add your candy. I like to just sprinkle the Cadbury Mini Eggs evenly over the top. Then you can mix it together until everything's combined and it is ready to serve. This is such a fun and easy recipe to make for just about any holiday. Today we used Cadbury Mini Eggs to make it festive for Easter, but you can use any candy you want, any colors to dress it up for any occasion. It's fun to put in those little decorative bags and you can give it as gifts or even put it in Easter baskets. Super fun, or just snack on it. It is downright addictive. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite candy is that you would use in this recipe. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.